Hey Yusuf and hey Ariel. Here's my job. Get ready to lay down a standard T-weld or what is also known as a root pass. Alright. Here we go. Done right, a root patch should look like this. Root patches are used to build bridges, build anything. I mean, a T-weld, you're sticking two pieces of metal together. They can railroad tracks. A root patch was probably used in full to make these tracks. The reason it's called a T-weld is because it's shaped like a T. You can be doing T-welds vertical up, or you can be doing them like this. This way is a lot easier, and I'm making more money doing this kind of weld. Today is just basically a free day for us, so I want to improve upon the welding. Okay.